Today I have a bunch of content I need to get out around this Hit the Trails tour. I'm going to be working on some location content. I'm going to be working on some women you should know content. And I'm going to be working on some planning content. If you guys haven't seen it, check out Joy Rios's behind the scenes videos on YouTube. They are kind of my little reminder that I need to get my butt in gear, but they're kind of cool because it shows you all we're doing to get ready and Joy's actual process. When I saw it, I was like, oh my God, Joy is so far ahead of me, but I'm going to get it into gear like literally right now. So today my husband is helping me, or is tutoring me on using my camera. Not my phone camera, I've been trying to do that myself, but my other camera. So we'll be spending the day getting that all straightened out. And I'm trying to figure out my packing routine or my space for packing, because I want to take one carry-on and one suitcase because I don't want to travel with a bunch of stuff. We'll be hiking and stuff, so I figure I don't need a lot of clothes or a lot of different types of clothes because I'm actually coming back home prior to him, so I'm trying to pack in a certain way. And I don't want to be flying from Maryland to LA with a lot of gear. So that's that. I am fortunate in that we are able to send some stuff ahead of time to Joy. She made her mom, thank you mom, made that possible. So we're doing that. And the last thing I have to worry about again is probably, I think probably how much makeup to take. So that being said, you didn't hear this from me, but there's probably going to be a giveaway for cosmetics fairly soon. I'm trying to figure out whose spring collection we can give away, because I would not be me if I was taking this journey and not giving you guys something in advance. So check out the YouTube channel. Make sure you signed up for the hike. And make sure you let us know some tips you guys think we should know for traveling during and kind of coming out of this pandemic phase. I think it'll be amazing to see what you guys come up with. Oh my God. Last night, yes, we had a Hit Like a Girl pod clubhouse chat on guilty pleasures. And it was so fascinating. Everybody on that chat was honest and open about things. It was so funny. And it was so hilarious to see how people felt about it. I think I found it most interesting and wonderful that women are now saying they're not feeling guilty about their pleasures. So that was kind of awesome. We're doing another clubhouse chat tomorrow night. Make sure you stop by. But if not, I guess I hope I will see you around social.